This is Activity 114 on page 60, Setting Access Options. We have Cabin Rentals 1 open with no database objects open. Now that you have begun to use Access, you want to make sure the access settings are appropriate for your needs. Number 1, examine the scope of settings available in the Access Options dialog box. We're going to go up to our File tab in our Backstage view and select Options. This opens up our Access Options dialog box. Select each tab in the left pane to view various options in the right pane. We have our General category, Current Database, Data Sheet, Object Designers, Proofing, Language, Client Settings, Customize Ribbon, Quick Access Toolbar, Add-ins, and Trust Center. Number 2, you want to use an older Access file format for new blank databases. How would you change the default file format? You would go to your General section and you would set the default file format for blank database to Access 2007 2000. This should actually be 19. Number 3, you have a large high-resolution display monitor and you want data sheets to display in a larger default font. What setting would you apply? You would go to your data sheet category and in the default font group, you would set the size to a larger value from here. Number 4, on a daily basis, you export data from various databases to a PDF file which you post on a website. To save time, you want to add a shortcut to the Quick Access toolbar to publish to a PDF. How would you add this shortcut? You would go to your Quick Access toolbar section and you would add PDF or XPS to the Quick Access toolbar. So here you have that. You would select it and click Add from here. And number 5, your company develops databases for government and military projects that use many uppercase acronyms. You want to take advantage of Office's proofing features, but you don't want the spelling checker to flag every acronym as a misspelling. What setting would you apply? You would go to your proofing section, and in the When Correcting Spelling in Microsoft Office Programs, you would make sure that Ignore Words in Uppercase, which is our first option, is checked off from here. All right, number 6, your organization shares a database stored in a secured location on your network. You want to configure your installation of Access to enable advanced features only for databases opened from that trusted location. What steps would you take? You would go to your Trust Center section, select the Trust Center Settings button, and select Trusted Locations to display the pane in which you can specify trusted locations. Which is located here. You would select the appropriate location. And number 7, customize the Quick Access toolbar. We're going to hit cancel from here. We can cancel out of this as well. Select the Quick Access Toolbar tab to show the Customize Quick Access Toolbar page. Ooh, I canceled one too many. We're going to go to Quick Access Toolbar from here. In the Choose Commands From drop-down, we're going to select All Commands. And in the List box beneath the Choose Commands From drop-down list, we want to select Find. which is here, and we're going to add that to our quick access toolbar. Select OK, and you can see now the find command is located on my quick access. And it will be dimmed out if you don't have a table or a query result open, because we have nothing to actually search through right now. Right, this is the last activity in this particular lesson, so we can exit out of Access completely.